Hello? Hello?
Hey, Jim. Hey, it's Mike at the Galley of the Sun. What's up?
Oh, Mike! What's up?
Ah!
Ah,
Ah!
ah. How are you?
Hey, did you know that today is National Eat a Peach Day? I just found out.
Peach Day? That does sound fun.
Even though that peaches originally appeared in China, and China is still the greatest exporter of peaches, back in 1982, President Ronald Reagan declared August as Peach Month. And shortly after that, they had a National Peach Day. Yeah, crazy, isn't it? Yeah, also, Georgia, the peach state. Do you know they're the third biggest producer of peaches in the United States? Yeah, they're behind California and South Carolina. Crazy, huh?
Those are some fun facts.
Well, in honor of that, I'm going to get to cooking up some peach whiskey wings. In fact, I think I'm going to smoke them. We're going to do smoked peach whiskey wings. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to be going peach picking soon, and I think I'm going to make something called a flamin' peach pie.
Ah, that sounds like a great idea. Okay, hey, good luck with it. Talk to you later.
You gotta love peaches, plump and juicy. I'm out picking peaches today. Need to find the perfect peach. There's one. Oh. That'll be great in my flamin' peach pie. I got my peaches. This flamin' peach pie is a vintage recipe, and it looks so unique. You light it on fire. Look at this recipe. Well, I learned this recipe uses canned peaches, not the fresh ones. So with the fresh ones, I made peach butter and peach salsa instead. Let's get into the kitchen and start making this pie. I'm gonna dust a little flour into my pie shell. Large can of sliced peaches, drained. Save 6 slices and dump the rest in the pie shell. In a bowl, I need 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of flour, and 1/4 cup of softened butter. I'm gonna blend that in. I want it to be nice and crumbly, then I just take it and sprinkle that mixture on top of those peaches. I'll be baking this in a 425-degree oven for about 25 to 35 minutes until brown. I wonder what Mike's doing now.
Jim, I found it in Vegas. Peach slushy and Bacardi. Peachy.
I've got 6 sugar cubes here that I'm gonna saturate in some lemon extract. Let it get soaked in. I'm gonna place 6 of those soaked sugar cubes around the outside of the pie. And the leftover peach slices go in between those sugar cubes. Now we light those on fire. Flamin' peach pie! Let's slice into it. This is so much fun, a flamin' peach pie. Let's give it a try. Astounding. I love this pie. I love vintage recipes. Now, I wonder how Mike is doing with his special treat. Be sure and check out his channel, Galley of the Sun. Some people told me they wouldn't try this flaming pie. You know what I say? Give peach a chance.
Damn! Peaches are delicious.